everyone. I am going to discussing about the exercise 2.2. So all of you look at the page number 102. First question, convert into kilometers and meters. Convert into kilometers and meters. And question is given in the meter. What is the question? 1200 meter. 1200 meter convert into kilometer. Okay? And meter. First 1200 to be right here. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And this number given in the meter. That is why there is need to divide by the 1000. 1200 divided by 1000. Why we dividing by 1000? Because of this is the smaller unit, and smaller unit convert into, and we have to convert into bigger unit. This is the smaller unit. 1200 is a smaller unit, and it is converted into bigger unit. That is why we are dividing by the 1000. Why not dividing by the 100 or by 10,000? Why we are dividing only by the 1000? Why? Because of 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That is why we are dividing by the 1000. There are 3 zero. There are how many zero? 3 zero. तो हम यहाँ देखिए आप ध्यान से लास्ट की जो 3 डिजिट्स हैं, we are separating the 3 digits from back side. Okay, and there is remaining only 1 digit, that is the 1 kilometer, and last 3 digit 200 meter. That's the answer. Okay, easily, if you don't know this method, so easily you can divide 1200. Okay, how many times? 1 time. So 1 kilometer, and this is the remainder, that is a quotient. So quotient is a bigger unit. Okay, quotient is a bigger unit and remainder is a smaller unit. 1 kilometer and 200 meter. So this type also we can solve in a rough one and get the answer. So 1 kilometer 200 meter, that's answer. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. 2045 meter. Same method we apply here also. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That is why we are dividing this number by the 1000. So 2045 divided by 1000. So 2045 divided by 1000. So we get 2 kilometer. And last 3 digit for the smaller unit. So because of there is a 0, means 045. It means, what is the meaning of this number? Only 45. Because of 0 here add from the front side. So it means only 45. 45 meter is the answer. Question number, other remaining questions for the homework. Question number B. Convert into meters and centimeters. Convert into meter and centimeter. हमको मीटर और सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. First question. What is given? First question. Question number B. First one 210. First one 210 centimeter, and this number convert into meter and centimeter also. जितना पोर्शन मीटर में कन्वर्ट होता है हम मीटर में करेंगे और रिमेनिंग पोर्शन सेंटीमीटर. 210 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, and this number given in the centimeter. So divide by 100. That is why 210 divided by 100. Okay. Now how many zeros? 2 zero. So last 2 digit for the remainder. 2 as a quotient and quotient for the bigger unit. Bigger unit means meter. 2 meter and 10 centimeter. 2 meter and last 2 digit for the smaller unit means 2 meter 10 centimeter. Next, question number 2. 272 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 272 divided by 100. So last 2 digit for the smaller unit. So 2 meter 72 centimeter. Okay. One more question. Question number 3rd. 350 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 350 divided by 100. So 3 meter 50 centimeter. According to number of zero, we have to separate the digit. Okay? यहाँ पर कितने जीरो हैं? 2 जीरो हैं. तो हम लास्ट से 2 डिजिट को सेपरेट करेंगे. तो वो लास्ट की जो 2 डिजिट है वो सेंटीमीटर होगी और जितने भी स्टार्टिंग में रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स हैं वो मीटर हो जाएंगे. So follow this method and solve the other questions. Question number C. Convert into centimeter and millimeter. Convert into centimeter and millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Question number C. First, 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter. First we write here unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 60 divided by 10. Why we dividing by the sometime 10, sometime by 100, sometime by 1000? Because of this is the smaller unit than centimeter. Okay, और इस smaller unit को जब bigger unit में convert किया जाता है तो divide करते हैं. So that is why we dividing by 10, 100 या 1000. हम ये कैसे समझे कि हमको किससे divide करना है? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. That is why we dividing by 10. हम previous question में हमने 100 से divide किया था. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ पे 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter था. Okay, तो ये हमको यहाँ पर जो unit है उसके according हम divide करेंगे. 60 divided by 10. So we get 6 centimeter. Okay. Next question. Question number 2nd. 75 millimeter. 75 millimeter converted to centimeter. In every question we have to write this unit. Okay. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 75 divided by 10. 75 divided by 10. How many zero? 1 zero. That is why only one digit separate from this number. So 5. What is the 5? 5 is a millimeter. And 7 centimeter. Okay. 7 centimeter, 5 millimeter. Question number 3rd. 98 millimeter. 98 millimeter convert into centimeter and millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. So 98 divide by 10. It means 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. अगर आपको डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखना नहीं आता है तो आप रफ में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं इसको. क्वोशिएंट इज ए बिगर यूनिट, and remainder is a smaller unit. जब भी आप डिवाइड करेंगे तो जो ऊपर टॉप पे क्वेश्चन आता है वो बिगर यूनिट मीन्स यहाँ सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा और रिमाइंडर में जो आंसर आता है दैट इज अ स्मॉलर यूनिट, इट मीन्स मिलीमीटर. So follow the method and solve the other question. Now question number D. Convert into kilogram and gram. Convert into kilogram and gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Question number D. First one, 1298 gram. This gram convert into kilogram and gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So this number with the smaller unit, that is why we divide by the 1000. 1298 divided by the 1000. How many zeros are there with the 1000 in this number? How many zero? 3 zero. So we separate the 3 digit from the back side. That is remaining only 1 digit from the front side. That is a 1 kilogram. And all the remaining digits 298 is a gram. Okay? आप इसको डिवाइड करके भी देख सकते हैं. Let's answer. Now question number next. Third one. 3096 means 3096 gram. Once again we write the unit. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 3096 divided by 1000. 3 zeros. Separate the 3 digit from the back side. There is remaining only 3 kilogram and other remaining digits. 096. It means only 96. 96 gram. Okay, let's answer. Next question number 4. 5690 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 5690 divided by 1000. So 5 kilogram 690. So follow the method and easily you can solve the other questions. Okay, next question number E. And also should be complete your copy. All the questions should be in your copy, okay? Don't skip the questions. Next question number E. First one, 2800 liter. And this question convert into kiloliter and liter. Kiloliter and liter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So 2800 liter divided by 1000. So 2 kiloliter 800 liter. Answer question number 2. 4900 liter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So 4900 divided by 1000. So 4 kiloliter 900 liter. Okay, other the question for the homework. Now question number G. Convert into liter and milliliter. Convert into liter and milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 kiloliter is equal to also 1000 liter. Question number G. First one, 1750 milliliter. 1750 milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1750 divided by 1000. So 1 liter 750 milliliter. Answer. Question number 2. 1890 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1890 divided by 1000. So 1 liter 890 milliliter. Okay. According to number of zeros, we separate the digit. Next, question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. 3005 milliliter. Once again, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. This unit you have to write in every question. Okay? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 3005 divided by 1000. How many zeros? 3 zeros. Separate the 3 digit from the back side. There is remaining only 1 digit. That is a liter. 3 liter. And what is the meaning of this number? Only 5. So 5 milliliter. Okay? Answer. So other all remaining questions for the homework, you have to solve first in the rough copy, and if you get the correct answer, so you can complete in CW. Okay?